everyone? Are you ready to play with JJ and his friends? Let's solve these shadows.
I think that shirt goes on his head. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Oh, silly! Shirts go on our bodies, not our heads. Let's slide it into place. Click.
Ready? Go!
Look at that rhythm. Matching clothing is so much fun with Kokomo.
No. Wait.
Pop! It fits perfectly. You did it. The outfit is complete.
Oh my God!
Whoa, everything is moving so fast now. Where are we going next?
We are exploring new scenes. Can you spot the blue ball hiding in the grass?
I see it. It's right there next to the yellow bucket. Zoom, let's grab it.
Whoa, look at him.
Great job finding the toys. Household objects are always full of surprises. Focus, everyone. We are almost at the finish line. Stay sharp.
Yay!
Woohoo! Look at those stars sparkle. We are puzzle masters today.
Beep, beep, here comes the toy car. Watch it zip across the screen. Bright colors and happy faces make this puzzle the best one yet. You solved every single piece! You are a super puzzler! See you next time, friends! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready to match these characters? Let's go! Whoa! Did you see that Goomba fly? It's zooming across the screen!
Look at all those faces popping up! Can you name them all, friends?
Go!
I bet that Goomba belongs in the purple square. Should we try it?
Whoa, look at him.
Princess Peach is showing off her best dance moves. Tap your feet along with her. Point your finger at the screen and help me pick the right character.
Oopsie, that's not a match. Maybe it's a silly lion hiding in there?
Go, Mario! Go! Jump, jump, jump! Collect those points, everyone!
our Goomba friend.
Bowser is joining the dance party. He looks ready to win this game.
Boom! Fireworks! You found the perfect spot for the Goomba.
Oh my God!
I was really hoping why don't you and I don't together like we can change the weather tonight.
Toad is hopping on those tiles. Isn't he just the cutest dancer you've ever seen? We did it! You guys are puzzle superstars. Thanks for playing. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Get ready for a super-powered guessing game adventure.
Boom! Who is hiding behind those colorful panels? Let's see them sparkle.
Can you spot the doggy? Get ready to solve the mystery in 3, 2, 1, go!
3, 2, 1, go!
I think Mario wears a tuxedo. Wait, is that right?
Not quite. Tap your fingers to the rhythm while we find the perfect outfit for our heroes. Focus now, friends. Does the crown go to Peach or Daisy? Point to the right one.
Keep that beat going. Stomp your feet and dance along with Mario and Peach.
Ting! Yes! You matched them perfectly. You're a puzzle genius.
Wahoo! Look at Mario and Luigi go. Keep tapping, keep moving.
Another one bites the dust. Fantastic job matching those last pieces. Bowser is here, but don't stop the rhythm. Keep that energy super high. You did it! You're the ultimate puzzle master. Hit that like button and see you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Look at all our forest friends gathering today, from Mario to Kirby.
Whoa! Check out those mysterious shadows. I bet a Goomba lives in that big one over there.
Actually, those are our brave heroes. Can you help us match them to their shapes? Click! Mario slides right into place. Luigi is next. Match the green hat to the silhouette.
Boing, they fit perfectly. You're doing amazing, superstar.
Watch out for the Boo. Slide him into his spooky shadow. Then find Yoshi, that silly Goomba.
Pop, pop, pop! Everything is falling into place just like magic.
Last ones. Kirby and Toad are ready to join the party. Let's snap them in. 3, 2, 1, clack!
Ta-da! The forest is complete. You are a puzzle master. High five!
Welcome, everyone. Today Today we are playing a super fun shadow matching game on this beautiful sunny hill. Look who arrived! It's Baby Mario, Baby Peach, Baby Luigi, and hey, is that Baby Waluigi?
I bet Baby Waluigi is here to pull some silly pranks. Watch out, everyone.
Oh no, they've turned into mysterious silhouettes. Can you guess who is who?
Let's help Baby Peach. Does her crown go on her feet? No way, that's silly.
Great catch. Slide that pretty pink dress right into place. Click. Perfect fit.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yay! Baby Peach is back, and she looks absolutely wonderful. Let's give her a big cheer. Time to dance! Get up and move your body just like Baby Peach and her friends. Next up is Baby Luigi. Can you find his green hat? Point your finger at their screen right now.
Boing! The hat fits perfectly. You are a puzzle master, kiddo.
Wonderful job! Baby Luigi is all put together and jumping for joy with those hearts.
Good job.
Here comes the tricky one. Baby Waluigi needs his shoes. Where do they go? Down at the bottom.
Whoa, he's looking sharp. You solved that so fast I can barely keep up.
Look at those hearts pop. Baby Waluigi is so happy you helped him find his pieces.
Good job.
Last one. Let's help Baby Mario find his iconic red hat. Where is it hiding?
What?
Found it. Drag it over to his head. Kapow! He's ready for an adventure.
Yay!
Wow, even the Harold meme is showing up to celebrate with us. You did an amazing job today.
Good job.
Superstar. Hey there, puzzle fans. Welcome to our forest adventure. Let's follow our wooden friend.
Whoa, a green gorilla! Is he going to give our friend a banana?
Oh no, he's just teasing him. Poor stick figure. He's seeing stars. Blink, blink. He's back on his feet. Can you point to the floating emoji on your screen?
Boom! Pow! Our wooden hero is showing that gorilla some serious moves today.
Down goes the gorilla. That was a super cool takedown. Wow.
Wait, is that a coffee cup ninja? Zoom! He's incredibly fast.
He carried the ninja away like a pro. You guys were amazing puzzle partners today. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to match some yummy treats with Red Devil, Black Shadow, and Green Monster?
Ooh, look at that hot dog! I bet the Red Devil is going to eat the popsicle first, right?
Actually, he is diving right into that fluffy cake. Yum! That looks super delicious. Check out the Green Monster. He is picking up a fuzzy kiwi fruit. Can you say kiwi with me? Kiwi!
I bet that dessert is a giant chocolate cupcake. Wait, maybe it's a broccoli monster snack?
Look at Black Shadow go. He's carefully rolling up that sushi. So precise.
Crunch. He's munching on an Oreo now. I love cookies, don't you?
Pop! Confetti everywhere. We did it, team. You all did an amazing job matching those snacks today.
That was a blast. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more fun games.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to the wildest, most colorful matching adventure ever.
Whoa, look at JJ and the gang. Uh-oh. Watch out for that swirling tornado. Whoosh!
Oh, a mysterious pug has arrived. Can you guess who is hiding behind those secret silhouettes?
3,
Time to play matchup.
1.
Grab JJ and slide him right into his matching shadow. Click.
Is it a cat? No, wait, that's definitely Tom Tom. You're doing so great, friends.
Now the music is pumping. Tap along to the rhythm as the characters dance across the screen. Can you count how many times they jump? 1, 2, 3, go!
You guys are rhythm masters. Keep matching those icons before the music stops. Zoom, zoom.
puzzle explorers. Today we're joining our brave wooden stickman on a wild city adventure.
Whoa, did you see that? Boom, our hero got knocked down, but he's getting right back up.
What?
Look up! That's a giant crocodile-shaped aircraft zooming through the clouds. Pew pew! Rockets away! Can you count how many rockets hit that crocodile?
Wait, is that a coffee cup ninja? He looks like he's ready to jump into action.
Kaboom! Our ninja hero saved the day with an epic explosion. Great job staying focused. And just like that, the muscular man runs away. You guys were amazing puzzle solvers today. So see you next time. Welcome, Puzzle Masters. Today we are playing the ultimate character shadow challenge. Are you ready?
Hey, look, it's Paper Mario and Yoshi. They are ready to play, are you?
Oh, who's that mystery guest joining in the third column? It's Luigi. And Donkey Kong swings in to join the party. That makes 4 friends total.
Poof! They turned into silhouettes. Can you guess who is hiding behind those question marks?
Let's match them up. One by one, the heads are filling in the blanks. Click. You did it! Every character is back in their spot. That is a perfect match.
Good job.
Vroom vroom. Mario is hitting the racetrack in his super fast go-kart.
Champion alert! Mario is holding a shiny trophy high up in the air.
Oh. Yeah.
You guys are absolute puzzle pros. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures. Welcome, everyone. Get ready for a super fun puzzle adventure with our Cocomelon friends.
JJ and the gang are here. Hey guys, are you ready to play?
Whoa! These shadows are missing their friends. Let's find the right match for JJ.
Is that a giant pizza piece? Wait, that's not a head. Oops, my mistake.
Silly host. We need to match the shape perfectly. Click! That fits just right. Look at Dad. He's helping us sort these items. Can you spot what belongs to Cody?
Everything is coming together. Boing! These puzzles are so colorful.
Oh no, a wolf! Don't worry, he's just here to join the matching party. How friendly!
Yum! So much yummy food. Let's put the apple in the basket. Snap!
every piece is in its place. Happy New Year, everyone! You are all puzzle masters! Welcome, Puzzle Stars! Are you ready to match, dance, and play with our super fun friends today?
Whoa, look at those shadows. Is that a giant square? Maybe it's a pizza slice.
Not quite, silly. That's the outline for our friend the teacher. Let's find the matching head together. The clock is ticking. Quick, point to the right piece before the timer hits 0. 3, 2, 1, go!
Boing, boing! Now we're grooving on the rhythm tiles. Can you clap your hands to the beat?
Great job, everyone. Now let's help the baby find their missing puzzle piece. Where is it hiding? Look at that shiny star pop up! Boop! You guys are absolute puzzle masters today.
One last dance party to finish strong. Keep moving those feet and show us your best moves.
You were incredible today. Give yourselves a huge high five, and we'll see you next time for more fun. Welcome to the ultimate puzzle party. Get ready for some shape-matching magic.
Whoa, check out those bright fireworks. JJ and his friends are ready to play.
Can you spot the shadow team? Let's find out who's hiding behind these mysterious shapes. Is that Tom Tom? Let's slide him right into his matching shadow. Whoosh.
Uh-oh, I think I see a square shape. Maybe it's a giant block. Wait, no, that's definitely Yo-Yo!
You're getting the hang of this. Watch as the characters snap perfectly into place. Click! If the shadow matches, it's a big yes. If it doesn't, we keep searching. Keep going, friends! We've matched them all. Look at that beautiful completed board. You guys are puzzle pros.
Time for a change of pace. Let's see what the Cocomelon gang is up to next.
Tap your feet to the beat. Can you keep up with the rhythm? 1, 2, go! Boom! What a fantastic game! forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers! Mario and his friends are here for a super fun shadow challenge.
Is that a giant piranha plant? No, wait. That's just a shadow of a spooky boo.
3, 2, 1, go!
Great guess, but let's look closer. Which character matches that wiggly silhouette? Drag the little toad right into his dark spot. Kapow! He fits perfectly.
Kirby is hungry for a puzzle. Slide him into his shadow. 3, 2, 1, click.
Whoa, look at it!
Amazing work! Every single silhouette is filled with our colorful gaming buddies.
Oh my god!
Whoa! Look who crashed the party. It's SpongeBob and Squidward joining the fun.
You solved it all! You're a total puzzle pro. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more.